Hi friends, today I am unboxing the Lenovo K5 Plus. Here we can see the box, new phone. Here I am unboxing the phone. Here we can see the new phone with having screen guard. They had given one new phone with a fantastic look. You can observe the phone having the Dolby speakers and a very good logo with a new metallic framed camera with flashlight. Here you can see the look very good and very nice, and before that we can see the box contains some related documents, and here we can see the data cable and one charger. That's it, the phone belongs to. And then coming to the phone, before that I can switch on the phone now. Okay, here you are seeing the phone, it is on. Okay, here I am going to have a tips for you. Here you can see the settings. Already we got the information that this phone is very heating. To avoid that heating, the Lenovo is providing a software update. If we update that phone, the heating is not coming from the phone. Here we can see how to update the phone. Go to the settings and go to the settings, and at last we know about the phone and take a look about the system updates and connecting to LAN, and then use system update. If we update the system, then it is going to be updated, and then the overheating problem will be debugged. Okay, here I want to share some tips about this K5 Plus. Okay, before this one is having some specifications with some extra features. You can see that if we go to display option in the settings, here we can see the VR split screen mode switch. If we switch on this one and then go back, the power button, if we long press the power button, we had some options that there is a power off, restart, airplane mode, silent mode, and VR split screen. If we touch the VR split screen mode, the phone is split into two screens, which the phone is available to watch the films in VR mode by having and VR headset. Again, if we want to go back, then same mode. Okay, again we have some specifications. Okay, the phone has having some background app management, and then battery management, storage, and then permission control. Here we can see the permissions for apps and settings also. Okay, going to back. Yeah, that's all about the new features of this phone, and we can see the options like this. Here we can see normal options like LAN, mobile data location, airplane mode, portrait, and so on. But here something new option is available, that is APN switch. You can able to use the switch, and then the brightness also very good, and it is not glared to our eyes. It is very visible and clear. There is nothing else. The light is not harmful to our eyes also. Okay. This one also having some good feature that if it long press the screen, it will goes, and here we can available 4 options like wallpapers, widgets, and preference and settings. If we go for preference, Here we can see the launcher. No other phones have launcher like other phones, but Lenovo Vibe has some good features, that is default launcher. If we go for default launcher, there we can see the Vibe launchers and Android launcher. If there is Vibe, if we want Vibe launcher, we can go for Vibe. If we want Android, we can go for Android. Okay. Here we have some home screen carousel scrolling, and then home screen settings, dryer settings. What is dryer setting? Go for that. Sorting mode. About it, the sorting can be available from a launch count and install time also. Okay. Transition animation. Okay, the animations from the home screen can be available with the help of transition animations like this: zoom in, zoom out, and cube in. Let us say I'm using stack like this. You can see the stacks. So the phone is available in stack mode. Like this we can set the phone. Here the time setting mode also having some different specifications like that. If you touch the time, you can see the different some options like alarms, world clock, stopwatch, and timer also. It is a very good specifications rather than going to some settings and else, just touching the time and set the alarm. Okay. Coming to the camera is very good clarity, and you can see the camera clarity also. Just click on the photo. If you watch the photo, here we can see the photo. It is very clarity. The 13 megapixel is coming very good for Lenovo phones. The front facing camera also very good, and here we have some options called HDR and flashlight and some other settings also. Okay, all the settings are same. Thank you. That's all about the phone specifications. Thanks for watching. It is about Lenovo K5. If you have anything else, if you want anything else, just subscribe me and ask me. Thank you. Bye.